Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to help you out how to choose between Interactive Brokers or maybe WeBull. And before starting this comparison video, I want to make one thing clear, and that is, I won't tell you which platform is better. I wrote down 5 different topics, and I will tell you on those topics differences. And then, after this video, you can choose by yourself which platform fits you the best. Because both platforms can be useful, but they are made for different types of investors and traders. So let's start right here, with the main focus on Interactive Brokers. And the main focus on Interactive Broker is that Interactive Broker is a global investing and professional trading platform. WeBull is a commission-free investing and active trading platform. But be careful, they are not completely free investing. They have it in the spreads or have order fees, so be careful with that. They are not complete free. This is something many beginners miss, because commission-free does not always mean there are no costs at all. You still need to look at spreads, margin costs, option fees, currency conversion, and any other charges that may apply. Interactive Brokers is the best for advanced trader and global investors, and WeBull is the best for beginner to intermediate traders. So if you are someone who wants access to many global markets, advanced order types, professional tools, and lower costs for serious trading, Interactive Brokers can be a strong choice. But if you are newer to investing, want a cleaner app, and mainly want to trade stocks, ETFs, or options in a simple way, WeBull can feel easier to start with. If you look to the trading tools, Interactive Broker has stocks, ETF options, futures, forex, bonds, plus global markets. And WeBull has stocks, ETF options, advanced chart, and screeners. So Interactive Brokers gives you more market access and more professional trading products. WeBull focuses more on simple investing, active trading, charts, watch lists, and screeners that can help new and intermediate traders find opportunities without feeling too overwhelmed. If you look to the interface on Interactive Brokers' powerful professional platform, more complex. So in my opinion, it's a little bit more difficult to use the interface on Interactive Brokers. And on WeBull, it's modern, intuitive, and mobile-friendly. This is one of the biggest differences between both platforms. Interactive Brokers can take more time to learn because it has many advanced features. But that can be useful when you know exactly what you are doing. WeBull is easier to understand visually, especially if you like trading from your phone and want a platform that feels simple, clean, and fast. If you look to the fees and trading costs, Interactive Broker has very low commissions, margin interest, and tight pricing for active traders. And WeBull has commission-free stocks and ETFs. Option fees and margin interest may apply. So if you are an active trader or international investor, Interactive Brokers may help you keep costs lower over time. But if you mostly buy stocks and ETFs and want a simple app experience, WeBull can still be attractive. Just remember to always check the full fee details before trading, especially if you use options or margin. So if you ask me, choose Interactive Brokers if you want a global market access, professional trading tools, and some of the lowest costs for active or international trading. This is the better fit if you are serious about trading, want more control, and do not mind spending some time learning a more advanced platform. And choose WeBull if you want an easy-to-use platform with commission-free trading, modern charting, and a great experience for new traders. This is the better fit if you want a beginner-friendly platform, a modern mobile app, simple stock and ETF investing, and useful charting tools without too much complexity. So when you are more a beginner, I recommend you to use WeBull. But when you become more experienced and you want deeper tools, more markets, and more professional trading options, then Interactive Brokers may be the better long-term choice.